If we can understand the anatomy of how an automobile works, then we will realize that it is just like the human body with systems and parts, and then they have to work together so that the body can function properly. Are you aware that in many modern cars, the fuel pump is usually electric and are located inside the fuel tank, just like an engine? Most of these engines don't even require a fuel pump. All they need is gravity to feed from fuel. The pump constantly creates positive pressure by pushing the gasoline to the end and then returning the fuel that you did not use back to the tank. You understand how that works? So simple. Hello viewers, I am Latifat Ajao Badamosi. Welcome to yet another spanking episode of your best rated automobile and safety TV program, Auto Expert, your guide to safety. You don't want to blink so you don't miss a thing. We'll be right back after this timeout.
AutoConnect is a total assemblage of all the auto-related artisans in Nigeria under an umbrella via one app, Auto Expert, so as to get connected to everyone that will be needing their services through Auto Expert. No matter the location one might be at a particular hour, people have been stranded while driving a lot of times at different locations, either due to the fact that they were not able to access a good mechanic or possibly or time frame. We strongly believe this whole concept will go a long way in solving people's problems so long as the app is available. This means you can simply get across to any mechanic, auto rewire, panel beater, spray painter, car customizing, your AC technician, and more of choice, notwithstanding wherever one may find himself. We are Auto Experts and we are Total. Visit AutoConnect.
Auto Experts, your automobile and safety TV show, cuts across all spectrums. We educate car owners on the nitty-gritty of their cars so that they can enjoy it fully. We offer car sales, repairs, maintenance via our trusted and tested automobile workshops across the country. Call us for your car reviews, factory tours, car races, amongst others. We will be there before you know it. Remember at the beginning of the show, I was talking about fuel pump. Now I'll be giving you 3 signs to know that your fuel pump is bad. When your car refuses to start, when you hear a whining noise from the clutch, low gas mileage, car surging, amongst others, these are signs that your fuel pump is bad and you need to get immediate repair. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook on our handles scrolling on the screen right now. This is where we turn off our ignition on today's episode. I am Latifat Ajao Badamosi. Keep a date with me same time next week. We will not be tired of saying this. COVID-19 is real. Stay safe. Follow the rules.